Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying account access and grabbing your API key. This unlocks Meshy features. Once done, pick a small representative dataset, 1 to 3 files, to avoid wasted processing. Next, create a project workspace and choose the model template that fits your use case. Make sure to set permissions and billing limits so you don't overspend. These first actions get you into the platform quickly and provide a controlled environment to iterate from. Now you ingest data and shape the pipeline. Upload via drag and drop or link S3. Watch checksums to confirm integrity. Once uploaded, configure preprocessing, choose tokenization, set chunk size like 512, and map metadata fields so retrieval is accurate. Then configure the model. Select the model variant, adjust temperature for creativity, set the context window, and enable retrieval settings. Make sure to link the indexer and set refresh cadence. This keeps relevance high as you iterate. Finish by validating and deploying your system. You'll run sample queries to test accuracy, check latency under load, and inspect responses for hallucinations. Once confident, deploy to staging and if stable, promote to production while monitoring logs and cost metrics. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting. Verify indexes are built, rerun preprocessing on failed files, and reduce context window if responses truncate. Finally, iterate on prompt templates and retrieval weights until answers meet your quality threshold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.